What's the AI cockpit? Okay, that's a perfect question. Basically, think of it as a suite of agents that are there to complement and enhance every process that happens in a dealership. Think about test drive bookings, service appointments, getting access to knowledge on the hands of the salesman. If you're a manager, getting access to your numbers. At the same time, if you're working at the service bay, optimize everything that happens there. In that sense, what the AI cockpit does is provide solutions that remove the friction and at the same time put people in control. Automotive retail needs it more than anything right now. And the reason behind this is that you have lots and lots of frictions in all of those departments that we commonly associate with the dealership. And at the same time, the margins are getting smaller and smaller. Competition has become bigger and bigger. So in that regard, the name of the game is AI. In that regard, with all of our hand-curated and hand-built AI solutions that you're going to find the AI cockpit serve in that direction.